What's gonna hit y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. And in today's video, it's not gonna be your typical unboxing and reveal videos. It's just gonna be me going to work. Yep, I know everybody has to be quarantined, but if you're working in the food industry, customer service and all that, then you still gotta go to work. I, on the other hand, am lucky enough to be in that position, so I still gotta go to work. Not a lot of you guys know, but I work at the airport. Let's just leave it at that. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm finna do for my downtime because I'm gonna be there alone. Everybody else gets to go home because all the flights got canceled. Yeah, hopefully I don't get in trouble, you know, saying all this, but everybody knows already. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing all day at work, or some of the stuff I do at work. So bear with me. All right, y'all. I am going to work right now. I am entering the freeway. Let's see how it goes. Wow, dude. Wow. Maybe it's the time I'm going, but normally around this time as well, there should be a lot of cars going on the freeway, but nope. Right now it's 6 o'clock. Isn't it like around 5 to 6 is rush hour? I'm not quite sure, but there ain't nobody on the freaking freeway, and I love it. I love it. I love it. Not the virus, but you know, people staying home. Awesome. What's good, y'all? Alright, so now I'm in my break room. I'm gonna clean up the whole break room, and after that I'm gonna go to the office and clean the office as well. I got a lot of downtime. I'm the only one here, as you can see. So let's kill time and stop this COVID-19 crap bullshit up in here. Alright, let's get it. We're gonna double up on gloves. Time to probe. We're gonna clean this too right here. That's the time clock. And then we're gonna clean that. We're gonna clean that. If you guys are wondering what kind of spray I'm using, I am using this Matrix 3 sanitizer right here. I don't know what it is, it's from the company. I heard it's like $300 a bottle. So yeah, that's what I'm using. Yo, so I'm doing my part to clean up a place that I come here often. I also disinfected my room and my whole entire house. Not like the whole entire house, but I like clean the doorknobs, the light switch, anything that I feel that we touch on a daily. You know, like the little knobs on your stove, the fridge, all that. So that's what I'm also doing here too. Yeah, man, just doing my part. I suggest you guys do the same too. Not only that, it's helping out the community, it's also helping out you. I don't know, it makes me feel good. It makes me like breathe better, stay in a place that you normally go to a lot, and it makes it more comfortable. You feel me? If that making any sense. So I can help prevent any more sickness going around. And yeah, since I'm at the airport, that's where like the source is at anyway. So we're trying to be safe out here. Yeah, let's keep going. Let's hit this doorknob too. Alright, so I'm basically almost done with the break room. Right after when I'm done with the break room, we're gonna go to the ops. That's my office, and clean that too, right? Alright, now this is the office, this is ops. Let's keep cleaning. Okay, update. I had cleaned this whole thing right here, even that trophy. Also cleaned this desk right here, or this drawer, clean all that. Now I'm going to clean these two computers right here, along with the main one right there. And yeah, this should be fun. Floor is hella dirty, I'm not cleaning that. Alright, fun fact. I used to always come into ops, this office right here, and every time I was in here, I couldn't sit for long due to I always felt like, oh, the air in here is kind of weird. It always made me feel like I'm drained. It made me feel sick, basically. And most of the time when I got sick was basically in here. I realized, you know, it's probably really dusty up in here and really unsanitary. So what I did was, after I got sick, I had came back in here and I sat down and I was like, yeah, I think it's the room, because when I sit in the break room, I felt fine. But every time I came in here and I sat in here, I couldn't sit in here for long. So that's when I figured, you know what? I'm gonna start cleaning up the office, you know, make it a habit of cleaning it daily just to keep all the germs out. And I had coworkers that used to work here too, and they would get sick often too. And I always wondered why. This could be one of it. And even if it's not the cause of it, it's always good to have a clean office so you can, you know, come in here, sit down and know that, hey, it's actually clean up in here and I can actually breathe and touch all these stuff without worrying about germs or any of those sickness, virus and shit like that. You know what I'm talking about? Does that make sense? I don't know, I can't talk today, I'm sorry, okay? Just try to bear with me. I don't want to be here right now. You gotta make money somehow. Even if our flights got canceled, you know what I'm saying? Always gotta keep busy. This is my part, you know? Helping out. Yeah, but ever since I started to clean up the office, it started to, I felt better. I could actually sit in here for quite a long time now and not feel some type of way. We also have an air conditioner up in here too, and I felt like the air that was blowing out was like not so good. My colleague was nice enough to took it apart and he was cleaning the filter and all that, and now it's blowing in good air. I mean, I also brought in like air freshener as well. You know what I'm saying? Making it homey. Feel me? Yeah, dude. I suggest you guys all do this. Just do your part, clean, even if it's your own room, your house, or you know, your workplace. Because you spend majority of your time there anyway, so might as well, you know, be somewhere that's safe and clean. Other than that, yeah, I'm done with this section. On to the main one. All right, last but not least is this thing right here. I'm just gonna clean it. Yeah. Alright, I cleaned this thing right here. That's the printer. Cleaned this desk. That is desk number 1. Also cleaned these phones right here. That's number 2. This is the main desk. Cleaned that. Also cleaned this, the second printer. Cleaned up top here. This is the funny part. This thing right here, those were the dirtiest. Like, oh my goodness. And then the third computer, cleaned that. Fourth computer, cleaned that as well, along with the walls, because you know people cough on it as well. Cleaned this whole thing right here, right there. And the third printer, I cleaned that as well. It's hard to tell, but I cleaned that. I even cleaned this wall. Also cleaned this light switch, cleaned that right there. And that sound you see is right there. That's the air conditioner. Well, I did all I can. It feels great. I also sprayed some of this calm spray right here, also from the company. It smells pretty good. And I also cracked open the door so we can get some air up in here. Yeah, man, that's all I'm gonna do. And I gotta do some paperwork and get ready for my flight to come in. Other than that, if you guys like my video, please give it a giant thumbs up. Give it a big like, because you know, COVID-19, everybody trying to be safe, everybody cleaning, washing their hands and stuff like that. Vigorously. Please subscribe to your boy for more content. And yeah, thank you for joining me with this clean against this virus and stuff. Let's band together, feel me, and take down the shit. Alright guys, everybody, be safe, keep it breezy, and now, see y'all in the future. Deuces! Keep clean!